Welcome to our channel. Today we will guide you through the step-by-step process of activating your Aetna card so that you can access your benefits without any hassle. Follow these instructions carefully and you'll be all set to use your card in no time. Step 1. Locate your Aetna card. Before you begin activation, ensure you have your Aetna card on hand. This card contains important information such as your member ID and group number, which you will need for the activation process. Step 2. Visit the Aetna website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Aetna website. You can easily find the activation section in the Member Services area. Step 3. Navigate to Activate your card. Once on the website, look for the option that says Activate your card or Member Login. Click on this link to get started. Step 4. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter personal details, including your member ID, date of birth, and possibly other identifying information. This helps Aetna verify your identity before proceeding with the activation. Step 5. Set up your online account. If this is your first time activating your card, you may be required to create an online account. Follow the prompts to set up a username and password, ensuring you choose a secure password for your account. Step 6. Confirm activation. After you have entered all required information and created your account, submit your application for activation. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. Step 7. Log in to access your benefits. Once your card is activated, log into your Aetna account using the username and password you just created. Here, you can explore your benefits, check claims, and find more information about your health plan. Step 8. Keep your information secure. Make sure to keep your login information private and secure. Regularly check your account for any updates or changes to your benefits. Thank you for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you activate your Aetna card with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.